Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.4 on AlmaLinux 9. See, I have connected to AlmaLinux 9 version. First open any web browser, click on activities, click on Firefox, go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. Click on download, then select Linux, then select Red Hat, Rocky or AlmaLinux. See, the PostgreSQL M repository currently supports RHEL, Rocky Linux, AlmaLinux. Okay, so select the version, then select the platform RHEL 9, AlmaLinux 9. Then see, once we selected, it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed. Okay, so open terminal, copy these commands one by one, copy it, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter, all done. Then if there are any built-in modules, disable by running this command, paste it, hit enter. Now install the PostgreSQL 17. Control A, sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 17-server. Okay, hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 17.4 and these dependencies. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. Type A and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Control A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17.service. Hit enter. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server, but it is not started. So first initialize the database. This is the option step. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now start the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Sorry, it is -17. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL is active and running. Quit to quit, and also notice here these are the background processes running for the PostgreSQL, and this is the data directory. Okay, quit to quit. Now enable the PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL -17. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL is running and it is enabled. Quit to quit. Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres psql. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. Also notice 17.4. This is not this PostgreSQL server version. It is PSQL client version. So to verify this version of the PostgreSQL server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.4 on AlmaLinux. Okay, Control A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for the Postgres user by using the command alter statement. Alter user. Before that, verify the list of the users that comes with PostgreSQL installation. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is super user. So set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. Provide the proper password. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Okay, we have successfully set the password for the Postgres user. Now create a database. Before that, verify list of databases. See, we have these 3 databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. You can also get the list of the databases information by running the command select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the list of the databases. Let us create a database. Create. Now verify again. See, we have new database. Let us switch to this database and create a table. /c or /connect. Then we have to provide the database name. /c or /connect, either is fine. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables. The commands that starts with / are called as meta commands. So create a table. See, we have successfully created. See, we have created table in public schema. This is the name of the table. Type is table. This is the owner. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Now we will create a user and connect to PostgreSQL with the new user. Create user. See, we have created user. Now exit from the PostgreSQL and connect with new user. To exit from the PostgreSQL, we have to use the /q. psql-u. U must be caps. New username -h localhost -post d means database Postgres. Then provide the password of this user that we have given. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server with this new user. Let us verify the current user. Select current _ user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with this new user. Now try to switch to bank database. Now try to run a query from the existing tables. See, permission denied for table customer, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, now we exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server on AlmaLinux OS 9 servers. We can't start or stop with Postgres user, but why? Because this user doesn't have the privileges. So sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17. See, it is active or running. Q to quit. Let us stop. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL -17. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL is inactive or dead. Okay. Also we can verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres psql. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So start it again. Again exit from this Postgres user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -server. Sorry, -17. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is active and running. If you want to restart, just replace the status with restart. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Okay. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using psql client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dpver. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on AlmaLinux OS versions. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.4 on AlmaLinux 9. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.